Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, today I'm really excited to bring to you guys the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds 2. Now, I've already had a review of the Pro. If you guys want to have a look at that, I'll have the banner up there also in the comments as well, the link. Before I continue, I'll just let you guys know that this channel completely survives on your subscriptions, and I'm a one-man show. I fund everything. So if you appreciate that, all you have to do is subscribe and it helps me a lot. All right, let's look at the box first of all. Very nice box. Look at this, like, it's nice, you know. I like all of this, and this is okay, but I would like to see this place empty. I'm not a big fan of having too much going on in the back. All right, let's get this unboxing started. That looks like a tough job. I've been told before to have a pair of scissors on the channel, so I might go get those. Alrighty, I'm back with the scissors. Okay, how do we do this without completely damaging the box? Okay, I think that's done. Nope, not done. Okay, that's certainly done. I don't think it's going to come out just like on one end. I have to cut the other end as well. Okay, bam, all done, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's get this box out. So this is what's the difference between Apple unboxing and everyone else. Okay, so it's just, so yeah, there you go. All right, so that wasn't the most elegant of entrances. Okay, so those are the Buds 2. Okay, so some paperwork here. Okay, let's have a look through the paperwork first. So a quick start guide and warranty paperwork here. All right, and you get, I guess you get, nowadays the fashion is just a USB charger and some other buds, different sizes. Okay, so different sizes, and a USB-C charger. Nice to see that. Okay, let's get all of this out of the way and let's have a close-up of this bad boy. Alrighty, so we have the Buds 2 here. So this just slides out. Okay, very nice. I like him. Nice and sleek. Let's get him out. Okay, so these are the black ones I got. Okay, so as you can see, the tips are quite soft. Yeah, not too soft. They're alright. They're not too bad, actually. Yeah, those are nice as well. Not too bad. And that's basically the case. The case is nice and small. It's not too big. It requires a charge and things like that. Okay, so those go back in here very easily. Okay, that's basically it. All right, guys, thanks so much for staying to the end. Please do give this video a like and let me know in the comments what you guys like me to pair this up against. Maybe the AirPods Pro, maybe even the Sonys. All right, thanks so much. Take good care. Bye-bye.